baby slippers for kids decorated with beads. The continuation. Now let's work the 23rd row. Slip the edge stitch. In this row we decrease the number of stitches the last time. Knit 18 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 stitches. We have just knitted 18 stitches. Then slip one, knit one, pass the slipped stitch over the knitted stitch, and do the same again. Slip one, knit one, pass the slipped stitch over the knitted stitch. Then knit 2 stitches together twice, one, and knit 2 stitches together the second time. Then knit 18 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and purl the last edge stitch. We have just worked the 23rd row, then turn the work and let's do the 24th row. Slip the edge stitch and purl all the stitches till the end of the 24th row. Just keep purling till the end of the row. Purl across. Then 25th row. Slip the edge stitch and knit all the stitches till the end of the 25th row. Just keep knitting, keep knitting, keep knitting till the end of the 25th row. Knit across. The 26th row. Slip the edge stitch and purl all the stitches till the end of the 26th row. Just keep purling till the end of the 26th row. Purl across. I have cut off the orange thread and I have attached the white thread. I have stringed the beads alternating red bead, white bead, red bead, white bead. I have cast on 52 beads, the total quantity, and 13 beads is going to be used in each row for a row. Now we are going to use the white thread of yarn. Slip the edge stitch and knit 8 rows. Knit 8 rows. This is the garter stitch. Just keep knitting 8 rows upward. This is the garter stitch. Just keep knitting 10 rows upward. 10 rows upward. We have just knitted 10 rows by garter stitch. Then slip the edge stitch and let's make the holes for passing the lace the following way. Knit 1, yarn-over, knit 2 stitches together, yarn-over, knit 2 stitches together, yarn-over, knit 2 stitches together, yarn-over, and so on. Do the same till the end of this row, making the holes for passing the lace. We have just worked till the end of this row and have made the holes. Then turn the work. Let's do the next row. Slip the edge stitch and purl all the stitches till the end of this row. Just keep purling till the end of this row. Purl all the stitches, including yarn-overs, till the end of this row. Here you can see the holes for passing the lace. We have just purled till the end of this row, then do the next row. Slip the edge stitch and knit all the stitches, till the end of this row. Just keep knitting till the end of this row. Knit across. Then turn the work and let's do the next row. Slip the edge stitch and purl till the end of this row. Just keep purling till the end of this row. Purl across till the end of the row. We have just purled till the end of the row. Then turn the work and let's do the next row. We are going to purl this row and to insert the beads in between the purled stitches through every 3 stitches the following way. Slip the edge stitch then purl 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, then move on the bead in between, then purl 3 again, 1, 2, 3, then move on the bead and purl 3 again, 1, 2, 3, then move on the bead in between and purl 3 again and alternate the same. Purl 3, move on the bead, purl 3, insert the bead, purl 3, and so on. We have just worked till the end of this row, inserting the beads. Then turn the work and let's do the next row. Slip the edge stitch and knit all the stitches till the end of this row. Just keep knitting till the end of this row. Knit across the row till the end of the row. We are going to insert the beads only in the purl rows, in the wrong side rows.